Hello guys, welcome back to Joseph TV. For today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumuha or mag-download at mag-apply ng OFW Bank. So ang OFW Bank ay first sa Pilipinas na branchless. So, ibig sabihin wala siyang branch anywhere sa Philippines. Nakalink siya sa Land Bank of the Philippines. So ang OFW Bank ay isang digital bank. So, ibig sabihin, wala siyang branch or physical branch. So, paano ba siya mag-download or paano i-download? So, una-una guys, pag Huawei yung cellphone mo, punta ka dito sa App Gallery, i-type mo ang OF Bank. So, type mo ng OF Bank, walang space. Click mo yan. So, makikita mo yan. Once downloaded na, open mo lang. Okay, so antayin natin. Let's go and then open an OF Bank account. So click natin yan. Continue. Okay, so click nyo yan. Continue. I would like to open OF Bank account. So yan, click nyo yan. So pipili ka dito guys kung ano ka, OFW, OF beneficiary, OF Filipino, local resident ng Filipino. So, pag ikaw ay OFW, click mo itong pinakauna. Okay, so ito yung ano niya, select the product you want. So, OFW, OF Bank debit card. Click nyo yan. Antayin lang natin guys. Medyo matagal. Kasi first time. So, ito na siya guys. Ito yung itsura ng physical card. Okay? So, if Visa debit card, may siyang requirements. Okay? So, minimum initial deposit is 0. So, basahin nyo lang yung fees and charges niya. Okay? So, ang eligibility niya, at least 18 years old, able to read and write, not suffering from any legal disability with credible identification. So, okay, proceed. Click nyo yung proceed. Okay, so ito yung reminders. Make sure you have strong and secure internet connection during application. Please have the following ready and accessible before you begin. So, active mobile number, email address. So, ito nyo i-prepare nyo, driver's license, passport, PhilSys or national ID, PRC ID, SSS, or UMID. So, dapat meron ka nito na prepare mo na. So, click mo yung proceed. Okay, so terms and policies, i-click nyo yung checkbox dito. Tapos, click nyo yung next. Kung gusto nyo basahin yung customer declaration, access terms and conditions, so if bank terms and conditions, pwede nyo i-click yan isa-isa. Pero sa akin, gusto ko i-click na yung next para makaproceed na tayo. So, ito guys, let's get started. Your profile details. So, click nyo yung isa-isa yung mga field dito. So, first name. Okay. So, lagay ko dito ang first name ko. So, suffix. Kung meron kang junior or senior, lagay mo dyan. Third. So, dito, birth date. Click nyo yung birth date nyo. So, ito. Click nyo yung okay. And then, mobile number. So, dapat meron kayong mobile number. Pwede yung gamitin yung sa Saudi. Mawa, nasa Saudi ka, pwede mo rin yung gamitin. So, akin, gamitin ko yung aking roaming number. So, dito naman, email address. Next, user ID. So, create ka ng user ID mo. Oh, okay. So, bawal yung space. Okay, next. So, ito yung kailangan. User ID is case sensitive and you should be able to 6 to 16 alphanumeric characters not contain special characters. Click nyo yung next. Okay, so enter ka na ng password mo. So, sa akin, gagawa ako ng password. Okay. Yan, click mo yung next. So, nakalagay dito, meron siyang identity verification. So, wear round neck with colored shirt. Bawal yung nakasombrero, naka-antipara, ano tawag nito? Naka-mask. So, ito yung gawin mo. Remove your mask, take off your eyeglasses, do not wear hat, or wear red colored shirt. So, click mo yung next. Okay, so enable camera. So magpa-picture na tayo. Okay. So dito allow to access the OF bank. So click nyo yung allow while in use. Okay. Click mo yung I'm ready. Move closer. Hold and then uploading encrypted 3D face scan. So antayin lang natin. Yon, liveness confirmed. User profile successfully created. So click nyo yung continue. So dito guys, nakalagay your user profile has been created. You should not be able to complete your account opening. You may continue next time by logging in with your user and ID password within 30 days. So, click nyo yan. So, dapat tandaan nyo yun guys. Okay. So, select the Philippine ID you are going to submit. Submitting the wrong ID may delay your account. So, select ka lang. Itong UMID yung gamitin ko. Okay. So, click ko yung next. Next. So, processing ID scan. UMID ID, okay, submit. Next, we will send a one-time PIN on your mobile, so make sure that the number is correct and active. So click yung next. So for your protection, please enter one-time password. It will expire in 5 minutes. So antayin natin yung OTP. So, yun, may na-receive na ako guys na OTP. So, enter ko lang 41071. Click next. Make sure that you have an email address correct. Click next. Okay, so dami siyang guys, dami siyang security question. So, dito pipili ka ng question. So, click mo lang yung first question, select a question, ikaw na mismo mamili. Where did you spend your high school? Who is your favorite superhero? Security question lang naman to guys. So, click nyo sa akin, click ko to. Enter mo yung answer mo. Okay. Ito na lang para mas mabilis. Abbreviation na lang. So, select number 2. What is your favorite color? Your favorite sports team is... Yun. So, question number 3. Where did you meet your spouse? So, answer mo ka... So, okay. Done. Click yung next. So, ito guys, personal information na birthplace, nationality, citizenship, birthplace. So, click mo yung birthplace. Type nyo lang yung birthplace nyo guys. So, limited lang yung character. So, civil status, married, sex, male, Mother's maiden name. So, house number. So, dami siyang fill upan guys. So, unit number. Ito. Kahit wala. Lagyan mo. So, marami kang i-prepare na mga details. Province, akin is Cotabato. And then, select city is Carmen. So, same present as address, permanent. Okay. Click yung next. Financial information. So, dami kang i-type. So, dito, financial information. Source of fund is, of course, salary. Tapos, name of monthly gross income. Nako, mabibisto tayo dito. Ito na lang. Secret, employer name. Line address. Bakit pa? So, province. So, lagyan natin dito Saudi Arabia. Kasi nandito ako sa Saudi Arabia, guys. So, click nyo ito. Tapos, province is Riyadh. Okay, so mahaba-habang preparation to. Nature of business, information communication. Select account holder position. So, bank employee na lang. Since na assign ako sa bangko. So, medyo mahaba-haba. Purpose, so savings, investment. So, pwede mo na itong gawin. Savings, investment. So, estimated monthly deposit. Lagay ka lang kahit 20,000. Atik-atik lang. Frequency deposit. Yun. Kindly answer the following questions regarding your US connections. Ha? Bakit ako naging US? Are you a resident of US? No. Are you currently? No. Bakit naging US dito? So, ito na yan guys. Confirmation. Make sure that the following details are correct before proceeding. So, review nyo lahat yung mga details nyo from profile details, personal information, so present address, financial information, account of purpose, okay? So, click nyo ang I confirm the above information is true and correct and accurate. So, click nyo ang confirm. So, meron na tayong account application received. So, ito yung transaction number. Nakalagay dito, thank you for submitting your account opening application. We shall notify you via SMS or email once we have processed your application. So, meron siyang application number. Thank you for using OF Bank Digital Account Opening. So, click nyo lang OK. Okay. So, dito guys, di pa natin siya ma-open kasi under processing pa yung account natin. So, try natin after 1 week once okay na. Okay?
So, thank you guys for watching my video and I hope na ay nag-gain na naman kayo na aral sa aking video tutorial. Okay? So, bye-bye and God bless us all.